Welcome, it's Denson Doodle, and today we're going to be taking you to Greenbriar Cemetery. I actually act here, and I really love this place. This guy that owns this haunt is awesome. So make sure you say thank you to him in the comment below for everything that he does.
As Son noted, not only is this haunt awesome and immaculate, the owner is amazing. So we visit here often, and it's become one of our favorite home haunts that we attend multiple times a year. So to start with, we're going to look at the nautical side. So this is where you'll find all your nautical themed haunts. But then we're going to loop through the main haunt and the main part of the yard. But I'm going to go through twice so you can see both how the outside is decorated and the inside of the yard. So be sure to stick around to the end to see it all. Now, as we sweep through all the displays and animatronics, decor, statics, custom-made items, we want to know in the comments below what's your favorite thing you see as we go through all of Greenbriar.
If you made it this far in the video, put a pumpkin and a ghost emoji down in the comments below.
Now right up here is a little Easter egg for the Dan and Son community. If you ever make it out of here, this is one of Son's favorite scare boxes or hiding locations when he's acting. Now here's another Dan and Son Easter egg. These columns, the fog goes off every time somebody hits the subscribe button or the like button. And both columns go off if you hit both the subscribe and like. All kidding aside, if you love Halloween, you love holidays, you love family fun, hit the subscribe and like button so you can see more. It really helps the channel. Also, turn on notifications because we go live a lot and we'd love you to be part of the community and join in the chat. Now here's another Easter egg. This animatronic right here, you'll be able to see in future videos of Son's own home haunt very soon. Because Son is going to go home haunt professional in the near future. So that animatronic right there in the corner may make an appearance. Now if you've wondered where all that screaming's been coming from the whole time, this is the prop and animatronic right here. Let us know if you think her volume's a little too loud.
All right, there we go. And that, for the most part, is Greenbriar.
In addition to Son live acting on some special nights, they have live actors most weekend days. And as a matter of fact, here's Son right there.
1.
Now, if you want to see more Halloween, start with the playlist right here. It's going to be our full 2025 Halloween playlist. There'll be more home haunts, commercial haunted houses, our Halloween trick-or-treat night, and so much more. Otherwise, start with this video right here because YouTube thinks you'll like it.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Take care. Have a great day.